Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're keeping safe. I want to thank you so much, guys, for watching all my videos, for your support, for leaving comments and your likes. I really do appreciate you guys. I just want to do a quick shout out to a company that reached out to me. They are called Gookie Dough. And Gookie Dough is an edible cookie dough. It's a bit of a mouth twister, really. But yeah, if you are a cookie dough lover, then this is for you. And yes, I love me some cookie dough. I remember one time I used to really like the Ben and Jerry cookie dough ice cream. Oh, delicious! And this actually reminds me of that. They have got different flavors. They've got one in red velvet. They've got the confetti cake bar, the triple chocolate fudge, and they have also got the gooey chocolate chips. These are also amazing. Cookie dough can be eaten raw, just as it is in the jar straight away. You just probably need to microwave it a little bit to make it a bit more softer and gooey. Ooh, yummy! And it can also be added to any of your baking needs, to your cakes, your cheesecake. You can add it to your ice cream and just make your own version of the Ben and Jerry's cookie dough ice cream. You can add it to, like I'm doing in this video, to your pancake. And it tasted amazing, guys. It tasted amazing. I tried it using all the different flavors that it sent me, and I have to say that the red velvet is my favorite because I've always loved red velvet. And my second favorite would probably be the confetti cake bar as well. I think they're just great. They're just yummy. If you've got a sweet tooth or you want to treat yourself, Cookie Dough was founded by a couple called, I'm sorry if I murdered the name, Anya. I think it's called, although it's spelled Anja, but I think it's pronounced Anya and Ollie. They founded this company based on their love for cookie dough and baking, and I think it's just amazing. And you will be supporting small business as well. They are very affordable, and they were kind enough to also give me a special code for you guys. So if you want to buy any of the products, I think a jar costs about £5, or if you buy more, you get to pay less basically. And then you can use my code Jane10 to get 10% off your purchase, any of your purchase. I will encourage you to get the multi-pack, so you get the all 4 flavors like I've got here. I think you get the all full experience of all their different flavors. I will encourage you to get that. And the packaging is just beautiful. Look at how colorful and beautiful that is. They can last up to 3 weeks in your fridge or 12 months in the freezer. So if you're interested in getting this, I'll put a link down in the description box below. Just remember to use my code Jane10 so you can get 10% off your purchase.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. but